China is rapidly becoming a global leader in artificial intelligence. Chinese companies are developing sophisticated AI models that rival, even surpass, their American counterparts. This shift in the AI landscape is driven by several factors. China has a vast pool of data and a supportive regulatory environment. Chinese companies are investing heavily in AI research and development. One area where Chinese AI is making significant strides is in large language models, or LLMs. These deep learning algorithms can generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Chinese tech giants like Alibaba and Baidu have developed their own LLMs, gaining popularity for their advanced capabilities and cost-effectiveness. Qwen and Manus.im are two prime examples of China's AI prowess. These models are not only technologically advanced, but also designed with a global perspective. They support multiple languages and cater to a diverse user base. Their open-source nature encourages collaboration and innovation, standing in contrast to some American AI models that often prioritize English and have more restrictive licensing terms. The rise of Chinese AI is not just a technological phenomenon, it is a sign of a shifting global order. As AI becomes increasingly important in various sectors, China's advancements in this field will have far-reaching implications. The world is entering a new era of AI competition, and in this era, China is poised to play a leading role. Developed by Alibaba, Qwen is a large language model that excels in various tasks. It can generate different creative text formats, translate languages, and answer your questions in an informative way. What sets Qwen apart is its cost-effectiveness, being significantly more affordable than some Western counterparts. This makes it an attractive option for businesses and developers. Qwen's multilingual capabilities are another major advantage, supporting a wide range of languages, making it suitable for global applications. Businesses can use Qwen to power their chatbots and customer service in different languages. Qwen's versatility extends beyond text-based tasks. It can also be used for image understanding and generation, making it a valuable tool for various industries, including e-commerce and advertising. Furthermore, Qwen is available as an open-source model, fostering a vibrant community of developers and researchers around it. They contribute to its development and build new applications based on its capabilities. This open approach not only accelerates innovation, but also ensures that Qwen remains at the forefront of AI technology. Qwen is a testament to China's commitment to developing advanced and accessible AI solutions. Its affordability, multilingual support, and open-source nature make it a compelling alternative to other LLMs in the market. As Qwen continues to evolve, it is set to empower businesses and individuals worldwide with the power of AI. Manus.im represents a new breed of AI focusing on automation. It allows businesses to automate complex tasks, including those that traditionally require human intelligence. Manus.im can learn from data, adapt to new situations, and make decisions based on the information it gathers, making it ideal for automating workflows and improving efficiency in various sectors. One of the key features of Manus.im is its ability to understand and interact with software applications. It can navigate through different software interfaces, extract information, and execute actions, making it incredibly valuable for automating business processes. For instance, Manus.im can be used to automate data entry, customer support, and even financial analysis. The demand for Manus.im Qwen API's capabilities is evident in its rapid adoption across industries. Businesses are increasingly turning to Manus.im to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and improve productivity. Its ability to automate complex tasks, coupled with its adaptability and ease of use, makes it a game changer in the world of business automation. Manus.im is a prime example of how Chinese AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with automation. Its ability to understand and interact with software, combined with its learning and decision-making capabilities, makes it a transformative technology. As businesses worldwide seek ways to optimize their operations, Manus.im is well positioned to become an indispensable tool for automation. The emergence of Chinese AI models like Qwen and Manus.im signifies a new era of AI competition. These models challenge the dominance of American AI, offering comparable, sometimes superior capabilities at a fraction of the cost. This has significant implications for businesses and developers worldwide. Chinese AI models benefit from several key advantages. China has a large and diverse dataset crucial for training AI models. The Chinese government is highly supportive of AI development, providing funding and creating a favorable regulatory environment. Chinese tech companies are investing heavily in AI research and talent acquisition. Moreover, Chinese AI models often prioritize practicality and affordability, making them accessible to a wider range of users. This contrasts with some American AI models that may focus on cutting-edge research and have higher costs, making them less accessible to smaller companies or developers. The rise of Chinese AI is not a threat to the US. It is an opportunity. Competition in AI will drive innovation and lead to the development of better and more affordable AI solutions. It is important for the US and China to collaborate in AI to address global challenges such as climate change and healthcare. The future of AI is global, shaped by collaboration and healthy competition. Chinese AI models like Qwen and Manus.im are playing a key role in this new era of AI. They offer powerful capabilities, are affordable and are accessible, driving the democratization of AI and empowering businesses and individuals worldwide.